Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Monday, May 22nd. Hope you guys had a wonderful weekend. This week's a little light on the terms of economic news releases, and today there's nothing scheduled for today. But stock market's kind of taking its cue for the last, Thursday, Friday is kind of making up for that huge loss they had on Wednesday. But a lot of it is, the 9 of the 11 indexes or 9 of 11 of the industries are up. And the one that's kind of leading it is the defense after the Mid East arms deal over in Saudi Arabia and its Gulf states that was signed into over the weekend with Trump's visit over there, where they signed basically a $350 billion arms deal where they'll be creating more jobs, especially in the defense industry over there. So that's obviously good for the U.S., and we'll have to kind of wait and see how everything plans out. But that's where the stock market's taking its cues. Also later today, or throughout the day actually, we got a few Fed speakers speaking. So, you never know as to what might be said or how things might be taken by a Fed speaker's speech. So those things that could always play into effect or could drive the markets. They are expected to raise rates next month on their June 14th meeting here. It's right now it's about in the 70 percentile range, around I think 73% chance. I think the last time I saw with the Fed funds futures, where basically what that is, it gives you the percentage of chance of them raising the rates. So it's pretty high for June's meeting here. So let's go ahead and take a look at the bond market here, and right now we're at basically zero, meaning that we are same level pricing where we left off on Friday. So as you can see, we did drop below that first level resistance on Friday. So on Thursday we went below it and stayed below it, but then we came in really low. We even came in much lower. We started off the day way down here on Friday, and then we worked our way up. So we end up closing, excuse me about that, a little bit higher. So we're about 6 basis points, I believe it was, from where we left off. Today we're about the same pricing. So the pricing is the same as what we left off on Friday. So again, that should be obviously fairly decent news, especially we're on kind of the higher spectrum here, where we got the floor resistance here, or floor, and we got the resistance level. We'll probably be in this range for a little bit until we can get some type of news that might push us, especially when we see the 10-day moving average, we see the 25-day moving average kind of edging upwards. It'll get to a point where it'll kind of squeeze us into one direction or the other direction. So so right now we're kind of safe at this zone for a little bit here. If you guys are floating, or if you guys got rates out there, you can continue to kind of float and see where we go from here. But just again, always be cautious when you're up in this level here, because you could easily get pushed lower, which would then mean rates will rise. All right, so that pretty much concludes it for the day. But if you guys want to get more info throughout the day, just come over to Twitter. You can find me at Mike Bjork on Twitter. I do post on Twitter throughout the day updates, and if you want to get on there, just again come over, follow me at Mike Bjork on Twitter. Also, if you guys are in the market for a refinance, or if you're looking to buy, I'm a loan officer. I can help out in terms of giving you pre-approvals, or financing your purchases, or even helping you with your rate and term refinance, getting you a better interest rate, or put you into 30 to also into a 15-year, or you can go from ARM. Maybe you're currently ARM when the rate's going up, and you want to go into a fix. Those are some things that we're currently working on today with some other clients. Or if you want to take money out of your equity and have something to do with it, whether if it's buy investment properties or other things of that nature, or consolidate your debt, those are other options we can help assist you with. All right, folks. So anyways, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. We'll look forward to seeing you guys tomorrow. But again, just feel free to reach out if I can help you out with any of those needs. Bye-bye.